Defying expectations, three astonishing abilities reveal hidden genius in the wild and rewrite what we think nature can do. First, slime molds solve mazes and optimize paths without a brain, demonstrating collective intelligence through simple, adaptive behavior. Second, tardigrades survive extremes by cryptobiosis, pausing metabolism until conditions improve and resuming life like nothing happened. Third, Mimosa leaves snap shut in seconds when touched, a rapid defensive cue that hints at plant intelligence in motion. These feats prove evolution hides genius in unlikely places, inviting awe and renewed curiosity about life's hidden toolkit.